Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. So my name is Deepa. I am from Hyderabad, India. So I am here to speak about a brand. So speaking about the brand, so the brand Amrutam is nothing but it's an Ayurvedic brand that was founded in the year 2006. So it's been roughly, I can say 15 years. Yeah, so it's been almost 15 years, and you know, this has been used by many of the foreigners as well. It is getting a wide range of coverage because it uses all natural Ayurvedic ingredients. So yeah, so when I personally used it, I could definitely feel that it definitely contains natural ingredients and there are no harmful chemicals. So yeah, that's about Amrutam. So I will show you how I felt when I applied it. So firstly, I want to speak about this hair spa. Oh my god, when I applied this, my hair was feeling so like a cooling effect, and whatever that was in my scalp, you know, I could really feel the difference. And when I washed my hair, you know, with the shampoo, there was zero hair fall, no hair fall at all, which generally happens. Like wet hair is very delicate, and you have a lot of hair fall when your hair is wet. I didn't face that issue with this. It really helps to, you know, regrowth of hair. It also helps to control hair fall, and this is a total yes from me because it does not contain any chemicals and it is chemical free, and you can definitely use it. Other hair spa treatments that you have, they definitely contain chemicals, but in this case you will not have that. So I highly recommend this, and I really loved it. You know, in this summer especially, my hair felt so good and so you know, dirt free. I felt like my scalp has completely been rinsed of all the dirt and the impurities. So yeah, so I get asked so much like which hair products do I use. So before I wash my hair, this is the hair mask that I want to show you all. So it is nothing but a brand called Amrutam. So you can see this is how the packaging is, so beautiful. So I'm just going to use all of the products. So it comes in a bag like this, and the bag is so beautiful. You can reuse this bag. So the first product that I want to apply on my hair is the Amrutam hair spa. This is how it looks. So this is the packaging, and it is nothing but a do-it-yourself hair treatment. It contains triphala, it contains eucalyptus oil, and the key ingredients are bringraj, and it is made in Gwalior, so it's made in India. And this is nothing but 200 ml of product, and let's see how it performs. The directions of use are: apply it on dry hair, and it is asking to leave for good 30 to 40 minutes. So you can see it's in this blackish, you know, textury, sticky kind of textury. So I'm going to apply this and leave for 30 to 40 minutes, but by then I'm also going to apply the clay mask that I got, which will definitely work on my open pores. So I'm just evenly applying this from the roots to the tips of my hair, and we're going to leave this for a good 30 minutes. By then I can also apply my mask. So yeah, I'm just evenly taking this product and applying. So you can see it's in this paste kind of a format. So the next one that I want to speak about is this Amrutam charcoal face mask. The moment I applied this, I could feel the, you know, the menthol effect on my face. It was so cool, so cool. Like it is like I applied 10 ice cubes on my face. That is the effect it had. After I used this, definitely I did feel a bit dry, but it was not like it was so badly dry. Like when you use a charcoal face mask, by default your face feels dry, but that can be overcome by using a moisturizer. So it was not like a big point to point out. I loved using this, and the texture is also so good. Like when you apply this, you will feel so cooling on your face. Like it is so good, so good. So I highly recommend both the products from Amrutam are so good. So I've just tied my hair up in a bun. Till this hair mask is drying, we are going to apply the mask. So we're going to let this sit for good 30 minutes. So it is nothing but this Amrutam. So this is the packaging, and it is the charcoal face mask, and it contains coconut. It is used to remove your skin impurities and give a youthful glow. So we're going to apply that. I'm just going to speak about the key ingredients. So it contains charcoal, it contains lemongrass, it contains tulsi, it contains aloe vera, And the directions of use are: after removing makeup and cleansing the skin. Right now I don't have any makeup, but we are going to apply it. Take the Amrutam charcoal face mask in a bowl, apply onto face and neck except your eyes and lips, leave it for good 10 to 15 minutes, massage gently in a circular motion to exfoliate, avoid rubbing harshly, rinse with cold water, use 2 to 3 times in a week. For best results, apply 2 to 3 drops of, you can add your kumkumadi oil as well in this. And yeah, so these are the directions of use. So I am going to apply right now and then have my bath. Basically you can call this a pre-shower routine. So I'm just going to open the packing. So it looks like this. So I'm going to take my brush. So I'm just going to take whatever is left of this. I have nothing on my face right now, so my face is dry, so we're going to apply this. So that's a very cooling effect. I can definitely feel that. So it has this amazing cooling effect. I feel like I've applied ice on my face. So yeah, so I'm just going to wait for good 30 minutes till the mask is dry and even my hair mask is done. So you can see the mask is dry, so I'm going to remove it. So I have my tub of water and so I just washed my face and I can clearly feel that the impurities of my face have gone. So yeah, speaking about the hair mask, I'm going to shampoo my hair and I'll be right back. And I think I'm not going to use a conditioner today. I want to see how really the mask works, because it says that it works on the frizziness of the hair. Like I have really dry hair, so I really want to check out how it works. So yeah, be right back. So yeah, that's about Amrutam, and those are all about my reviews. It's a total yes from me. I will highly recommend you guys to get it. I'm going to put the links to all this in the description, so I highly recommend you guys to check it out and grab it. Yeah, so that's about it. You know, my reviews are honest. So if you ask me in both which I prefer, like I get asked a lot about which hair products I use, so I will give the first preference to the hair spa treatment. For a charcoal face mask, you can definitely, there are tons of other charcoal face masks in the market, but the advantage, like if you compare all of those face masks and this has a very good cooling effect. Like in this summer, you know, you'll feel a definite refreshness in your face, and yeah, it does clean all your pores. And yeah, that's about it. This is all my thoughts about these two products that I have from Amrutam. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So subscribe to my channel. We are close to reaching 10,000. So yeah, fingers crossed. So that's it. This is Deepa bidding a bye. I'll see you guys in my another video. Bye guys.